Alright, JJ. Are you ready to get some driving lessons from Poppy?
Okay, Poppy.
Okay. Now get in the driver's seat. You're in the back seat.
Oh, that's too good. Okay, what am I supposed to do?
Okay, now get on the road.
Okay. This is really broken.
I said get on the no, don't get on the road.
I'm gonna get on the road. I got on the road.
Good. Now, don't floor it, but I need you to just step on the pedal. Good. I said don't floor it. No! I want you to not run into those. Oh! Okay. Get in the car. Now go up that ramp. Turn around. Go up the ramp. Whee! Oh, no! Now, I know this car is horrible because it was in the Poppy Playtime parking lot for since the 60s. Okay, just stay on the road and go a decent speed. Faster! Good. Slower!
I want faster! What is this? Oh, there's...
No! Oh! You almost just killed us. Okay, well, let's just get rid of staying on the road for now. Just try and go a decent speed, not too fast, not too slow. Oh my gosh! You're gonna... Ah! I'm surprised we haven't died yet. Oh no. Okay. Now just keep a steady speed. Shift into gear. Stop going in circles. Wait, how the heck are you driving? How are you driving?
Guys, how am I driving?
Good now. Okay. Now, go where those arrows point over there.
Okay. I can't do anything.
Let me get a new vehicle. We're gonna be jumping. Good. Now just keep going backwards. Good. No. Okay. Good.
Okay.
You're doing an amazing job.
Guys, am I straight?
Yes. Oh no. Floor it on the ramp. Good. We made it over. Okay. Now just keep going straight.
Straight.
Here, I'm gonna drive the Okay. Can you drive?
Yay.
Okay, now I need you to go slow. Go. No!
I'm trying to get straight, okay?
Okay.
Stop prioritizing me.
I'm not. I'm your friendly driving instructor.
Yeah, I want to sing.
Straightforward. Good. Okay. Now just keep going straight. Oh my gosh. Now this is the part where there's a ton of bombs. So.
They go boom boom.
They do, because I'm the bomb. Okay. Now we're just gonna. Oh, that's a big bump. Okay. I'm glad that my father's car still has insurance on it.
What ramp? Oh, that ramp?
That ramp. Oh no. How the heck did you get up here so fast? Okay, get the checkpoint. It's right Okay. Get the checkpoint, it's right there! Good! Okay.
Let's test it out.
Oh my gosh.
Yay.
You can drive now.
Yay!
Now just go forward and avoid any landmines. That's why I'm teaching. Okay, just go. Great! I never thought that you would do this good. You're doing mildly okay. You know,
Wow, thank you.
you're doing pretty good.
You know, I can for it.
Do it. No! No! Underwear! Okay, turn to the... You're doing great! Keep going forward. Just keep going forward. Turn a little bit to the right. Yeah, sure. You're doing really bad.
Shut up.
Just get off of the little thing. Get off of it! Now just go! Drive! Do anything! No! Good! Okay!
I dropped the copper shoes out explode.
Okay, you're almost done with your third lesson of driver's ed. You'll get your driver's license after this. Now you just need to go through all of this without flipping over. Okay? If you do all this without flipping over, you get your driver's license.
Okay.
Okay. Now just don't get exploded or flip over. Stop trying to flip over. I know what you're trying to do.
What am I trying to do?
Flip over?
No.
Go on the road! Stay on the road!
I applied my breath.
No, you're not. Your best is horrible.
I can breathe.
Now, see that? See that ramp over there? You're gonna go to that ramp, okay?
What ramp?
That your render distance is too short. Okay, turn a little bit to the right. Now a little bit to the good. Just stay on this side of the road. Now floor it. Okay. See this ramp? You're gonna go off. Don't flip over. Don't flip over. Do anything, okay?
Okay.
La la la. Well, I'm looking backward. What? Just keep driving. Don't flip. If you flip over when we do this ramp. Yay! You did it! Yay!